Hidden science behind kombucha, how to make live probiotic tea tonight. Kombucha is a fermented tea made with a SCOBY, symbiotic culture of bacteria and yeast. Historical accounts place its origin in East Asia, often linked to Qin Shi Huang in legend, and show transmission across Asia and into Russia and Europe, where it was traditionally shared household to household. How it works: yeast in the SCOBY ferments sugar into alcohol and carbon dioxide, natural carbonation. Acetic, lactic, and glucuronic acids are produced by bacteria that convert the alcohol. These acids are associated with antimicrobial effects, support for beneficial gut bacteria, and putative liver detoxification pathways. Evidence: human and clinical research is preliminary but promising. A small randomized, double-blinded crossover pilot, 12 adults with type 2 diabetes, reported mean fasting glucose reductions from 164 to 116 mg/dl after 4 weeks of daily 8 Oz kombucha versus placebo. Other studies, 2023 to 2024, show kombucha consumption can enrich beneficial gut microbes and reduce taxa linked to metabolic disease. Larger trials are needed. Kombucha is food, not a pharmaceutical treatment. Commercial versus homemade. Most commercial kombucha is pasteurized or otherwise processed to extend shelf life, which destroys or suppresses live microbes and reduces microbial diversity. Homemade kombucha retains living cultures and ongoing microbial activity, producing higher diversity and live probiotics when brewed and handled properly. Basic home brewing protocol and timeline. Grow a SCOBY, pour raw unpasteurized kombucha or use starter liquid in cooled sweet tea. A thin pellicle forms in 1 to 4 weeks. First fermentation: brew 1 gallon sweet black tea, 4 bags, 3/4 cup sugar, cool below 85 degrees Fahrenheit, add SCOBY and 2 cups starter liquid, cover with breathable cloth, ferment 7 to 12 days, taste from day 5 onward. Second fermentation: carbonation, remove SCOBY, reserve starter liquid, bottle remaining liquid in flip-top bottles with flavoring, fruit, ginger, seal and leave 2 to 4 days at room temperature to carbonate, then refrigerate. Maintain, reserve starter liquid and SCOBY for next batch. Typical batch yields 8 by 16 Oz servings, per batch cost $1.12 per 16 Oz bottle. Practical notes. Benefits reported include improved digestion, more stable energy, and potential blood sugar support, but kombucha is not a cure. Safety: avoid overheating starter liquid, kills culture, maintain cleanliness, monitor carbonation pressure in sealed bottles to avoid overpressurization. Cost and sustainability: homemade kombucha is far cheaper than commercial versions and preserves live microbes lost in pasteurization. Bottom line: kombucha is an ancient, low-cost fermented beverage producing live microbial acids with preliminary clinical signals for metabolic and microbiome benefits. Homemade, unpasteurized kombucha preserves living cultures and diversity that commercial pasteurized versions typically do not.